Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this sultry and glamorous glittery smoky eye makeup. So let's get started. This brush is from the drugstore. Taking this blackish shade from Morphe 3503 palette, starting off by applying it all over my lid, adding more color by using the shade gradually. This brush is from the drugstore and applying the same shade with the same method. The reason for using this brush is that it picks up the shade very well. Taking this tapered blending brush from Morphe Brushes, taking this mauve shade and blending my crease. Here I am combining the harshness with a very light hand. Same on the other eye. Taking this big fluffy blending brush from Morphe Brushes and this pink shade, blending it over a mauve shade. Same on the other eye. This flat rounded brush is from Morphe Brushes. Taking this shade Fair Play, highlighting my brow bone. This glitter palette is from Miss Rose Cosmetics in setting number 2, I believe. Applying it with the help of my finger. This mascara is from Essence Lash Princess. Applying it to my lashes. Applying this NYX Kohl pencil under my waterline. Taking this short smudger brush from Morphe Brushes, and this black shade is smoking out my lower lash line. Taking this pencil brush and shade Fair Play, applying it to the inner corner, dragging it to the center. So this is the final look. I hope you all like it. If any one of you wanted to learn a specific eye makeup look, just DM me on my Instagram. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.